Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at a vacuum that's making waves in the cordless category, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Stick Vacuum Kit, CMCVS001D1. This vacuum promises to tackle dirt and debris with powerful suction and efficiency, all while providing the convenience of a removable battery and compatibility with the V20 CRAFTSMAN system. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a deeper look. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Stick Vacuum is designed to make your cleaning routine as smooth and easy as possible. First off, it delivers up to 1 hour of runtime, which is a pretty solid time for a cordless vacuum. If you have a medium-sized home, you'll likely get through most of your cleaning without needing to recharge, though larger homes might require a second pass with a break in between. It's important to note that the runtime depends on your cleaning settings, as higher suction modes will reduce battery life. One of the standout features of this vacuum is the extensive floor head, which offers a wider cleaning path. This makes cleaning large surfaces quicker, since you can cover more ground in one pass. Whether you're tackling hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, or area rugs, the CRAFTSMAN V20 doesn't hesitate to pick up dust, crumbs, or pet hair with its powerful suction. It really does deliver strong performance, pulling up debris you can't even see. The anti-tangle brush adds an extra layer of convenience by preventing hair or fibers from wrapping around the brush roll. This is particularly useful for pet owners or anyone with long hair, as those frustrating hair tangles are minimized. One feature that adds a lot of value is the removable battery. This isn't just convenient for charging. It's part of CRAFTSMAN's V20 style system. If you already own other V20 style tools, whether power drills, outdoor equipment, or other vacuums, you can interchange batteries, which is a pretty smart idea if you're already invested in the system. Being able to swap and charge batteries separately means you can always have one ready to go, even if you're deep into a cleaning session. When it comes to storage, the CRAFTSMAN V20 makes life a little easier. It's self-standing, meaning you don't have to lean it against walls or awkwardly prop it up in corners. You can simply park it upright when you're not using it, which is great for tight spaces or for those who want to keep their cleaning tools easily accessible. Of course, no vacuum is perfect. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is definitely a lightweight model, but that can come with its own challenges. While the maneuverability is generally good, it might struggle a bit on thicker carpets. If you're dealing with plush or high pile carpeting, you may notice some suction loss, especially on higher settings. It still does the job, but it's not quite as powerful as some heavier duty models. Additionally, while it does a great job on hard floors and low pile carpets, its performance on high pile carpet and deep cleaning areas may not match up to some of the larger, more expensive vacuums out there. Real-world usage shows that it's easy to assemble and use right out of the box, which is a win for anyone who isn't a fan of complicated setups. The compact size also means it's easy to store, even in small apartments or closets, where space might be at a premium. However, for some, the 0.5-liter dustbin capacity might be a bit small for larger homes or heavy-duty cleanings. You'll likely need to empty it more often, especially if you're dealing with a lot of pet hair or dirt buildup. The CRAFTSMAN V20 definitely stands out in terms of value. At its price point, you're getting a solid vacuum that offers powerful suction, versatility with attachments, and that handy removable battery system. It's a great option for people who need an efficient, easy-to-use vacuum for their home and are looking to avoid the constant hassle of plugging in and winding cords. However, there are alternatives worth considering. For instance, if you're looking for something with longer battery life or even more powerful suction, models like the Dyson V8 or the Shark IonFlex offer more advanced features, but they also come at a higher price. On the other hand, if you're after a more budget-friendly option, the Black Decker 20-volt max cordless stick vacuum is a close competitor, offering similar runtime and suction power, but lacking some of the features like the anti-tangle brush and self-standing design. In terms of build quality, the CRAFTSMAN V20 feels solid but lightweight. The plastics feel durable enough for everyday use, and the design is straightforward and functional. While it's not the most premium vacuum out there, it definitely holds up for its price. Maintenance is simple enough with easy-to-empty bins and a washable filter, so you won't be spending a lot on replacement parts. As for longevity, Craftsman has a solid reputation for durable tools, so it's reasonable to expect that this vacuum will hold up well, provided it's used and maintained properly. Overall, the Craftsman V20 Cordless Stick Vacuum is a practical and reliable choice for anyone looking for an efficient, easy-to-use cordless vacuum. It's best suited for smaller to medium-sized homes, especially those with hard floors or low-pile carpeting. Its long runtime, anti-tangle brush, and removable battery system give it a good balance of convenience and performance, while the self-standing feature adds to the overall ease of use. If you're in the market for a lightweight, no-fuss vacuum and are already part of the V20 ecosystem, this model could be just what you need. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product insights. And if you have any questions or personal experiences with the Craftsman V20, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Let's keep those floors clean and our spaces clutter-free.